Good morning, friends. Myself Divan Khanikar. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is English Grammar JK. Before going to the topic of discussion, that you have already come to know what we are actually talking about in these days. Let me have your request. Please subscribe the channel, those who have not subscribed the channel, and please like the videos. I have seen that so many viewers are there, but they don't like to press the like button. Please press the like button, and you can get your comments. You can give me your feedback also in the comment section. That is, if you scroll the videos and in the bottom ekebar lastot tumalke comment to dekhiba, add public comment. তাত তোমালোকে পাব্লিক কমেন্ট কৰিবা। মই ষ্টুডেণ্টসকলক ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, যাতে ভিডিঅ'জবিলাক প্ৰথমতে তোমালোকলৈ নটিফিকেশ্যনটো যায়। এণ্ড উইথ দিছ ভেৰি চিম্পল ৰিকুৱেষ্ট, লেট মি go to the topic of discussion, that is past perfect tense, and this is part 4. We have been discussing past perfect tense, and this is part 4. You have seen the part 4 is there, and in the last topic, the topic of G, when we were talking about the use of past perfect tense, there you saw that I discussed on the use of past perfect tense starting with the word when, isn't it? After the use of the word when word to ব্যৱহাৰ পিছত past perfect tense to কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ হয় বা কেনেকৈ ব্যৱহাৰ তাৰ বিষয়ে আমি আলোচনা কৰিছিলোঁ। তেতিয়া আমি এটা কথা কৈছিলোঁ যে it is used after when or পিছত past perfect tense to ব্যৱহাৰ হয় কেতিয়া হয়, to emphasize that এটো কি কৰা হয়, when or পিছত past perfect ব্যৱহাৰ হয় to emphasize that the first action had already completed. After the completion of the first action, then started the second action. That is second action. It was number 1 first action, it was a second action. The first action to complete whole, tar pisot second action to ambo. Agor jeto udahoron asile, in the previous example we saw that immediately after the completion of the first action, the second action started, and in that case we used past indefinite tense, isn't it? And now you see that when is used, and when we use when, immediate the past perfect tense will follow when or pisot jetia past perfect tense ব্যৱহাৰ হ'ব, তেতিয়া it emphasize that the first action already completed, and after completion of the first action the second action started. And this is the example that this is the topic that we were discussing in the last class, isn't it? And the same topic, let me give you another example. In the last class, when I was talking about this topic, I told you that when he had locked the gate, we got on the car. When he had locked the gate, we got on the car, we came to the car. It means that the gateখন কমপ্লিট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি অপেক্ষা কৰি আছিলোঁ। we were waiting for the completion of the locking the gate. গেটখন লক কৰাৰ পিছতহে আমি গাড়ীখনলৈ গৈছিলোঁ। তাৰমানে এটা কাম কমপ্লিট হ'বলৈ আমি ৰৈ আছিলোঁ। This is the meaning. And in the same way, when the singer had sung, for example, another example, when the singer had sung the song, she or he or she, anyone, she drank a glass of water, suppose. Okay, গানটো যেতিয়া গাই শেষ হ'ল, গানটো গাই শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত ছিংগাৰগৰাকীয়ে গ'লে এগিলাচ পানী খাইছিলে। when the singer had sung, it means গায়কগৰাকীয়ে গানটো গাই শেষ কৰিলে, গানটো গাই শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছতহে কি কৰিলে, she drank a glass of water, তেওঁ এগিলাচ পানী খাইছিল। In this way, it means after when we are using past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used after when. The when word to pisot jetia past perfect tense to ব্যৱহাৰ হ'ব এইটো কথা এমফেসাইজ কৰে বা জোৰ দি বা বুজায় যে কামটো ফাৰ্স্ট একশনটো কমপ্লিট হ'ল তাৰ পিছতহে সেকেন্ড একশনটো আৰম্ভ হ'ল যদি এই সেন্টেন্সটো সাপোজ এই সেন্টেন্সটো যদি মই বেলেগ ধৰণে লিখো when the singer sang the song she drank a glass of water. Okay, in this sentence the meaning is something different. Here I am using both when the singer sang, both past indefinite tense. The singer sang and she drank a glass of water. Okay, here the same meaning, the same sentence, not the same meaning, sorry, the same sentence, but here I am using the past indefinite tense after when or pisot past indefinite tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে ইয়াত when or pisot past perfect tense to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে যেতিয়া আমি when or pisot past indefinite tense to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম এই সেন্টেন্স টু মিনিং টু কি হ'ব যে গান গায়ক গৰাকীয়ে গান গাই থাকোঁতে পানী গিলাস খাইছিল she was drinking water when she was singing that song. This is the meaning here with past indefinite tense. And with this past perfect tense, the meaning is something different. It means that the action had first action had already completed. It is already over. And after the program is over, she drank a glass of water. And this is the difference. Here, when she was singing, she was drinking a glass of water. This is the difference. And friends, I think you already have come to know the difference between the present indefinite, past indefinite and past perfect after the use of when, the word when. Okay, this is another point of using past perfect tense. Next point, H. Point number H. Next point, the point number 8. Simple past is always placed before past perfect. When we use the use of till and until. This is the point that I am going to discuss. Something about the writing of past perfect tense. When we use till, until, these two words. যেতিয়া আমি till আৰু until এই word দুটা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ past perfect tense ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হয় simple past is always placed before the past perfect. This is the point. Okay, point to key simple past or past indefinite. Simple past is always before past perfect. This is the point. That when we use till and until, we are talking about the use of till and until. Till and until এই wordটা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে মনত ৰাখিবলগীয়া কথাটো কি যে past simple past or past indefinite. Simple past or past indefinite to সদায় past perfect tense ৰ আগত ব্যৱহাৰ হয়. This is the point. For example, I refused to go till I had completed my work. Okay, I refuse to go till I had completed my homework or any work. Okay, any work. Here we see that I refuse to go. This part, I refuse to go, this is past indefinite. And I have completed is past perfect. Here you see the past indefinite tense is used before past perfect tense. When we use till, this word, the word till. যেতিয়া till word to আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিছো past perfect tense to past indefinite tense ৰ পিছত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছো. In the same way, he did not wait till he had finished his meal. Okay, let me write another example. I am writing the sentence and I request the students, the viewers, mainly the students, please write down the sentences, the examples. Example number 2. He did not wait. He did not wait till he had completed or finished. Anyone finished completed or finished his meal. The কোনোবা এজনৰ কথা কৈছে he did not wait, তেওঁ অপেক্ষা কৰি নাথাকিলে till he had completed his or finished his meal, যে তেওঁ কিবা এটা খাই আছিলে, যে খাই থকা কামটো শেষ কৰিবলৈ তেওঁ ৱেইট নকৰিলে, তেওঁ অপেক্ষা কৰিবলৈ সময় নহ'ল, যে খাই থকা বোলে কমপ্লিট কৰিবলৈ নাথাকিলে, আধা খোৱাকৈ সি গুচি যাবলগীয়া হ'ল. ইন ডেট চেন্স উই ইউজ পাষ্ট. He did not wait past indefinite, he had completed past perfect. গতিকে আমি দেখিলোঁ যে past indefinite টো past perfect তকৈ আগতে বহে যেতিয়া আমি till or until ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ. In the same way, my father had been in Shillong. Another example I am giving. Okay, please write down the sentences, the examples. My father had been in Shillong until he was transferred to Guwahati. এতিয়া until ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে কি হয়, past perfect টো আগতে বহে until যেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম. এতিয়া দেখা যাব যে when we use until, my father had been in Shillong until he was transferred to Guwahati. This action টোত কি হ'ব, until টো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে উল্টা হৈ যায়. Now use of until. আগতে আমি till ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিলোঁ, till টো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে দেখিছিলোঁ past indefinite টো আগত আছিলে, past perfect টো পিছত আছিলে. এতিয়া আমি দেখিম যে example number 3, here until ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম. until ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে কি হৈ গৈছে, চেণ্টেন্স দেখা যাব যে my father had been in Shillong. My father had been in Shillong until passive voice until he was transferred to Guwahati. Okay, where is until? This word until. এতিয়া until wordটো যেতিয়া আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছোঁ দেখিছোঁ যে past perfect টো আগত বহিছে. My father had been in Shillong. Had been in Shillong is a past perfect tense and he was transferred. It was a past indefinite tense of passive voice. Okay, তেনেহ'লে আমি কি দেখিলোঁ যে till টো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে past perfect past tense indefinite tense টো আগত বহে, past perfect পিছত বহে, আৰু until ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে দেখিলোঁ যে past perfect টো আগত বহিছে, past indefinite টো পিছত বহিছে. This is the use of till and until. Okay friends, these are some examples of you writing how to write past perfect tense. Okay, simple ways. The exceptions are also there, but these are some points, very minute points that we should know or learn. Again, before and after. Again, before, use of before and after. Okay, and is I. This is point number I. The before আৰু after এই দুটা ৱৰ্ডৰ ব্যৱহাৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হয়, before and after are normally followed by past perfect. Okay, যেতিয়া past indefinite আৰু past perfect ৰ কথা যেতিয়া ক'ম তেতিয়া কি হ'ব, সদায় before লিখি ল'ব লাগে, লিখিলে ভাল হ'ব, before and after are normally followed by normally followed by past perfect. Okay, normally followed by past perfect. तामाने past perfect जेतिया और past indefinite जेतिया থাকিबो, past perfect tense और past indefinite tense जेतिया व्यवहार करिम, जेतिया before और after ये word ता व्यवहार কৰোতে কি হয় sentence টো তাত কৈছে যে হতাই past perfect টোৱে পিছত বহে। normally followed by past perfect মানে হৈছে past perfect টো পিছত বহে সাধাৰণতে before আৰু after ক্ষেত্ৰত। এতিয়া for example যদি আমি এক্সাম্পলটা চাওঁ কি আলোচনা কৰা হৈছে ফ্ৰেন্ডছ যে বিফোৰ এণ্ড আফটাৰ যেতিয়া এই ওয়াৰ্ডটো আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম পাষ্ট ইনডেফিনিট আৰু পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত যে দেখা যাব যে পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্টটো পিছত বহে। যেনেকৈ আফটাৰ দ্য অৰ্ডাৰ হেড বিন প্ৰনাউন্সড দ্য একিউজড ফেল ডাউন। অ'কে sorry, before we had finished our homework, the teacher gave us another work. Okay, this is the example. Before এটা বেলেগ বেলেগ হয় দে একে নহয়, তেতিয়া কোনবা এটা আগত হ'ব কোনবা এটা পিছত হ'ব, এটা দেখা যাব কোনটো কি হ'ব। মই পইণ্টটো খালি এনেকৈ লিখি দিছোঁ যে বিফোৰ এণ্ড আফটাৰ ফলোড বাই পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট, কিন্তু দেখা যাব যে বিফোৰটো ক্ষেত্ৰত যিটো হয় আফটাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত হয়তো বেলেগো হ'ব পাৰে। এতিয়া দেখা যাব যে before we had finished our homework, the teacher gave us another task. অন্য এটা কাম দিলে। এতিয়া কি হ'ব যে এই বিফোৰ ৱৰ্ডটো যে আছে বিফোৰ ৱৰ্ডটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে আমি দেখিলোঁ বিফোৰটো আগত বহিছে আৰু পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সটো প্ৰথমতে বহিছে। পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স উই হেড ফিনিছড এণ্ড দ্য টিচাৰ গেভ পাষ্ট ইনডেফিনিট। তাৰমানে পাষ্ট ইনডেফিনিটটো পিছত বহিছে, ফ'ল' কৰিছে পাষ্ট ইনডেফিনিটটোৱে ফ'ল' কৰিছে পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্টটো। তাৰমানে পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট আগত পাষ্ট ইনডেফিনিট পিছত বিফোৰ ৱৰ্ডটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে। অ'কে, this is the point that when we use the word before, here we are using before word to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে কি হৈছে past perfect to আগত বহিছে past indefinite to পিছত বহিছে। Before we had finished our homework, the teacher gave us another task. Okay, now let us see the use of after. After the order had been pronounced, after the order had been pronounced, P-R-O-N-O-U-N-C-D, pronounced, the accused fell down. Okay, here the same, the use of same structure. The past perfect tense to আগত বহিছে after word to যেতিয়া আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিলোঁ, যেতিয়া after word to আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছোঁ আমি দেখিছোঁ ফ্ৰেন্ড যে after and before দুইটা ৱৰ্ডৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতে কি হৈছে past perfect tense to আগত বহিছে past indefinite to পিছত বহিছে। The same rule, the past after the order had been pronounced, the order had been pronounced মানে past perfect tense বেছি বহিছে আছে, the past perfect tense আছে, and the accused fell down. This is past indefinite. Okay, now we have come to know that if we use this combination, when we write sentences in this combination, the combination of past perfect and past indefinite, and when we use before or after, then we have seen that before and after ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে the past perfect tense is always followed by past indefinite তাৰমানে past indefinite tense টোৱে পিছত বহে past perfect tense টো আগত বহে past indefinite tense will follow the past perfect or past perfect tense is followed by past indefinite তাৰমানে past perfect tense টো আগত বহিব past indefinite tense টো পিছত বহিব and this is the point of using before and after. Okay, we have seen the same. In the same way, before and after is used. And in the same way, past perfect tense and past indefinite tense is used with the use of the word before and after. Again, another example. Before he had walked 1 mile. Another example, example number 3, I think. Before he had walked 1 mile, the master ordered him to start running. Okay, this is another example. Okay, here again we have seen this is the word before. When we are using before, we have seen that he had walked. This is the past perfect tense, and the master ordered him. This is the past indefinite. It means we have come to know what we have seen that when we use these two words before and after with the combination of past perfect and past indefinite. Past perfect or past indefinite tense লিখিবলৈ যাওঁতে combination লিখিবলৈ যাওঁতে before আৰু after ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁতে আমি কি শিকিলোঁ যে before পিছত past perfect tense হ'ব তাৰ পিছত past indefinite tense হ'ব. After ক্ষেত্ৰতো প্ৰথমতে past perfect tense হ'ব তাৰ পিছত past indefinite tense হ'ব. It means past perfect tense is followed by past indefinite. Past indefinite tense to pisot hobo, past perfect tense to agot hobo when we use or when we write the sentences in the combination of past perfect and past indefinite using before and after. Okay, friends, these are the points that we have been discussing here today, and with these few points regarding the use of past perfect tense, let me finish the session for today. We hope you have learned something new regarding past perfect tense. নিশ্চয় past perfect tense কিছুমান সৰু সৰু নতুন কথা আমি আলোচনা কৰিছো শিকিব পৰা গৈছে আৰু ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে মন দি পেলানি এই কথাবিলাক ভালদৰে শিকিব লাগে তেতিয়া কি হ'ব ভৱিষ্যতে ইংৰাজী বাক্য লিখাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত গ্ৰামাটিক্যাল এৰৰ্ছ বিলাকৰ পৰা এভয়েড কৰিব পৰা যাব আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো আপোনালোকে